my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope yes. Okay. This is session 4. Welcome to session 4. And this is your recap questions. State the principle of an electric motor. Who can answer this? Please unmute and answer. Can someone answer this question? Children, have you all forgotten? Please unmute yourself. I hope you can unmute. Am I audible? None of you are answering. Hope the screen you can see. Are you not able to unmute? Srilata ma'am, is there option for unmute for them? Children, I am not getting any response. Dear students, it's only 15 participants. Why is it so today? And none of you are answering. I don't know whether you are able to hear me. Children, I want your response. Okay, recap, then none of you are answering. Let me go ahead with today's session. Hope you are able to see my screen. No response at all. Children, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Why no response for any of the questions there? And the attendance is too less today, only 15 participants. Okay, let me go ahead with today's class. Today's learning objective is we are going to learn about electric generator and Fleming's right-hand rule and domestic electric circuits. In previous class, you know what is induced current. So how current is induced? The device name is electric generator. The device which converts mechanical energy to electrical energy is electric generator. We are going to learn about electric generator in today's class. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No energy, no enthusiasm, and no attendance. Why is it so today?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. I'm really disappointed by looking at the attendance. Today's attendance, only 15 or 16 students. This is really disappointing, children. Can you see the figure here? This looks like very similar to what? Electric motor.
Electric motor.
Yes, it looks very similar to electric motor. So what is the difference between electric motor and electric generator then? Electric motor consumes power, that is current, and does work, that is mechanical work. In electric generator, we provide mechanical energy and that will be converted to electrical energy. So there is very little difference. You can see the figure. There are two bar magnets and again there is a conductor, rectangular conductor, but there is no source. Source is energy source. In the previous case, in the motor, you had energy source, but here no battery. Why no battery? Did anyone think?
Ma'am, because it is producing electric current.
Very good. It is producing electric current and we are giving force or mechanical energy. So somehow we are rotating the coil or the conductor, rectangular conductor in between the two magnets and we are going to produce electric current and such produced current is called induced current. And I have already shared a video. I was doubtful that network might get interrupted. So I have already shared the video. We will check the video after the explanation of generator. You can see the construction, a loop ABCD. It's a rectangular loop ABCD is rotated in a permanent magnetic field. You know, when two magnets are kept there, it creates a magnetic field. Its ends are connected with two semicircular rings as shown in the figure below, I mean above there. These rings insulated from each other and can slide while remaining in contact with the brushes X and Y. Can you locate X and Y in the figure? They are called as brushes. And a galvanometer is connected. Why is galvanometer connected? Do you know? Can anyone answer? Sometimes I feel I'm not connected, but still connected. No response, very disappointing. There are 43 participants. None of you are responding. Why? Have you forgotten?
No.
Now tell me why galvanometer is connected there. Am I clearly audible? Why galvanometer is connected there? Can anyone answer? Last time I had explained why galvanometer is used. If there is any current, galvanometer shows reflection. It means there is flow of current. That is why galvanometer is connected. I have explained about construction and how it works. On rotating the loop in a magnetic field, how do you rotate? You provide mechanical energy. It could be anything. Last class we had discussed how mechanical energy is being supplied for generator. It could be a turbine that is from water from height or wind energy or your muscular energy, anything. That is all mechanical energy. That is how the loop is being
Diesel.
rotated. Of course, even fuel. On rotating the loop in a magnetic field, the side AB moves upward and the side CD moves downward. You can see here where is AB, where is CD. And similarly in the motor case also, same rectangular kind of conductor. Thus magnetic flux linked with the loop changes and the current is induced in it, whose direction can be determined by Fleming's right hand rule. And in your previous class, what did you learn? Fleming's
Left hand rule.
Left hand rule.
Now it is Fleming's right hand rule. Next slide we are going to learn what is Fleming's right hand rule. keep it aside. And now we will see how the generator works. After half rotation, the ring P comes in the contact with the brush Y. I have shown what is X and Y here. Can you see X and Y? They are the brushes. The brush X always in contact with the slide moving upwards, and the brush Y is always in contact with the slide side moving downwards. As a result, the current direction. This current is called direct current, and this type of generator is called DC generator. Similarly, instead of half ring, if it is full ring is used, then the current is AC current. And such generators are called as AC generator. A detailed video has been sent to you. Now also I'll play. I don't know about connectivity. If it plays well, fine. Otherwise, you can play it later also. Children, shall I play now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is not audible.
Hope it is.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Not audible. Maybe
Not at all.
connectivity problem. Anyway, I have attached this. Children, I have sent this file to both of the section. If it is not very clear, you can watch it later also. Fine? Shall I continue?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕತ್ತೆ ನೀನು ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಿನ್ನೆ Get out, Ravi. Walk on it. ನಾನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
moves down. Again, one remains right-hand rule. Current will flow in the direction ABCD, that is, from P2 to P1 through the galvanometer. Thus, the induced current changes its direction every half rotation. Graphical representation of induced EMF. Suppose the armature takes 3 seconds to complete one rotation clockwise, and time t is equal to 3. The armature ABCD is vertical with arm AB up and arm CD down. At this position, when the armature rotates, the rate of change of magnetic flux is momentarily zero. Hence, the induced EMF at this rotation is zero. During the first quarter rotation, the induced EMF increases. Then, at time t.4 seconds, the armature becomes horizontal. At this position, the rate of change of magnetic flux momentarily attains the maximum value. Therefore, the induced EMF at this position is maximum. During the second quarter rotation, the induced EMF decreases. Then, at time t.2, the armature again becomes vertical, and therefore the induced EMF is zero. During the third quarter rotation, the induced EMF increases, but has an opposite polarity as compared to that of the first half rotation. At time t.4 seconds, the induced EMF attains its maximum negative value. During the fourth quarter rotation, the induced EMF decreases and becomes zero momentarily at time t seconds, as the armature is vertical once again. So the magnitude of the induced EMF is sinusoidal. In this module, you have learned an AC generator is an electric generator that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy in the form of alternating EMF or alternating current. An AC generator is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. An AC generator consists of an armature, a shaft, a field magnet, slip rings, and brushes. The graph between the time and EMF generated by an AC generator is sinusoidal.
Children, the video was clear.
Ma'am, I couldn't hear, ma'am. The voice.
But could only watch.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this video both the groups. Please after my session. Now we will move on with the slides. You have seen how and now Fleming's right hand rule. You all know what is Fleming's left hand rule, right? Take your left hand. How do you align fingers for left hand rule?
Perpendicular to each other.
Perpendicular to each other. How many fingers you are taking out?
3.
3.
So what is the rule? How do you remember? What is the code word that
Father,
I
mother,
taught?
child.
Father, mother, child.
So even right hand rule remains the same, father, mother, child, but only the
Ma'am,
difference
3.
is because 3 fingers, of course. The only difference is left hand direction different and right hand, it is the opposite, right? While using left hand rule, You are providing current and getting the work done, that is getting mechanical energy by motor. But in generator, it is the opposite. You are providing mechanical energy, getting the current produced, that is induced current. The rule remains the same. Father, mother, child remains the same, that is field, magnetic field, force, and current. Those remain the same, only direction of current there changes. It is opposite to left hand rule. All direction get opposite. Am I clear? No further confusion. All things remains the same, only the direction get opposite. In the case of generator. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So today we have completed AC generator, and Fleming's right hand rule. Now we are going to learn about domestic wiring, how wiring connection is done at our homes. So in our homes, either the overhead electric poles or underground cables support the power supply flowing through the main supply. And how many wires are there? Have you seen? Can anyone respond?
3, ma'am.
So one of them is live and the other one is neutral. Then what is the third one?
Earth wire.
We will check. Very good. Earth wire. So at the meter board, these wires pass into electric meter through main fuse. The main switch, live wire and the neutral wire are in connection to the line wires in our home. These wires then supply electricity to separate electric circuits within the house. To avoid the risk of electric shocks, the metal body of each electric appliance is earthed. So the third wire is earthing. So how the live wire is denoted in color usually? Do you know?
Red. Yellow. Red, ma'am.
Red. Live wire is red. And neutral wire is
Black.
black. And the earth wire is
Green.
Green.
green. Very good. And this is the circuit diagram. Can you see here? Live wire is red and neutral wire is black. And the first fuse you can see is electricity board's fuse, not at our home. The first fuse is there, and then electricity meter, and then distribution box containing main switch and fuses for each circuit. This is our home circuit, and there you have separate fuse at home. And what is fuse? We have already discussed in the first lesson, right? How is connected? Neutral wire or live wire?
Both.
Through neutral wire or through live wire fuse?
Live wire.
Very good. Fuse is connected in series with live wire. You can see there. Do you know the output at our homes? What is
220
the
volts.
voltage? Very good. 220, it is fixed in India. So 220 volt output at home, it is fixed in India. Different country have different outputs. So there are sockets. You know what is socket? Can you see there 3 holes?
Yes, ma'am.
So one is live, one is neutral,
One is
and
earth.
the middle one is earth. So why do we use earthing? To avoid
Because,
electric.
to resist
So if
over.
To
If
avoid
there is,
To avoid electric shocks.
yes, to avoid electric shock. If there is extra electrons, they will flow through the earth wire to earth. The circuit diagram is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you can see the green wire is bent. Okay.
Because
It is upon that.
it is upon that.
Passing without
So
connecting.
very good. It is without joining the red wire, right? The first class you have learned how the circuit diagram symbols. There are two circuits. One is 15 ampere circuit, rating circuit, and then 5 ampere current rating circuit. 15 amperes, we use it for electric iron, geyser, such appliances where they draw large amount of current. 5 ampere circuits only for tube light, TV, etc., where they do not draw large amount of current. So sockets, just now I have told. So there are 3 holes. One is live, one is neutral, one is earth. The color of live wire is, can you see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the color for
Red,
live
ma'am.
wire?
Red.
Neutral
Black.
Black.
and earth
Green.
green. Very good. Now, can you see here sockets and many appliances are connected. So such situation is called overloading. You can see the picture here. Let us know what is overloading. Can you see the screen? Could you please read? If too many electrical appliances are used at a time, that is simultaneously means at a time together, too many electrical appliances are connected to the same socket, they draw extremely large amount of current in the circuit. Due to this, wire may get overheated and the insulation outside may
Burn.
get melted. Yes. After burning, we call in a different terminology. Till here, drawing large amount of current through a single circuit, such situation is called overloading.
All right.
So after overload, what happens?
The fuse will break.
Immediately the fuse will break.
Short circuit.
No. Very good. The next condition is called short circuit. That we will discuss in our next class. Okay, now I have few questions for you. Let us have quick recap. Direction of rotation of coil in electric motor is determined by which rule?
B.
Left-hand rule.
Left-hand rule.
Have you read the question whether it is a generator or motor?
Motor, ma'am.
Motor. Right-hand rule.
Motor.
So motor
left-hand rule.
is left-hand rule, which I have taught first, left-hand rule.
Yes, ma'am.
So right-hand rule is for generator.
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 Yes. Next, in electric motor, to make the coil rotating continuously in the same direction, current is reversed in the coil after every half rotation, and that device is called
Carbon brush.
Carbon brush.
Carbon brush.
Carbon brush.
Did we use their carbon brush?
Yes, ma'am.
We used slit ring. So slit ring, there is no, in this option, there is no slit ring. So the other word for slit ring, that is commutator, which reverse the direction. The right word is commutator. That is split ring only. Slip ring is different. Slit ring is different. Fleming's left hand and right hand rules are used in dash.
Electric motor and generator.
Electric motor and generator.
B.
First is left hand rule. So first it has to come
Electric motor.
motor. So option
B.
B. Very good. A DC generator works on the principle of dash.
Ohm's law.
C. C.
C.
C.
A, ma'am. A.
C.
So if
C,
you
I
get
think so.
confused with
D,
all
ma'am.
scientists' name, you can make out generator. But I have told what is induced current, what is electromagnetic induction.
Ma'am, it works on electromagnetic induction.
So if you get confused with scientist's name, you can make out in the second word clue, right? So what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
correct option?
C.
C.
Yes, C.
Family.
Earth wire carries
Current. No.
Current.
No current.
Voltage.
Current.
Current.
Current, ma'am.
no current, children. Which carries current? Tell me.
Live wire.
Live. Red.
Then earth wire carries no current.
Ma'am, then black wire means, yeah, black wire, ma'am.
That is negative.
Neutral.
That is neutral, and that is only for completing the circuit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Which among the main characteristics of fuse element here?
Low melting point.
High
High
conductivity.
conductivity, low
conductivity.
melting point, do not rust due to oxidation, and all of the above. Tell me.
All of the above.
Very good. It should be all of the above because, okay, I have not put it as answer there. It is all of the above because it conducts, and of course it has low melting point because it has to melt if there is heat production, and they do not usually rust because you know they are made up of alloy. So all of the above. And in today's class, you have learnt about electric generator, Fleming's right hand rule, domestic electric circuit. Under domestic electric circuit, what you have learnt?
Overheating.
Overload.
Overloading.
And before overloading, what you have learnt? 3 types of sockets connection. What are those 3 types?
Live wire.
Neutral wire.
Earth wire,
Earth
neutral
wire.
wire.
Yes, those are the components of that socket. 3. And then what kind of connections? That is 15 amperes and 5 amperes circuit. 15 ampere circuit is for appliances like
Geyser.
So where there is large amount of current is drawn. 5 ampere circuit,
Tube light.
TV.
tube light and TV. And then, yes, then you have learnt about,
On hair dryer.
yeah, iron box, hair dryer, all
Hair
of same
straightener.
concept. All of them are of same concepts, okay? Heating effect. So that draws large amount of current. And you have learnt about overloading. So the next part of this we will continue in the next class. And now it is your time. Do you have any question, children?
Ma'am, I
No,
have a
ma'am.
doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the function of armature?
Armature is a soft iron core. It doesn't function. It supports the winding.
The rectangular coil, no ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, in the generator or motor, it is not just rectangle like that. No wire can stand like rectangle, right? Inside a soft iron core will be there, and wires, I mean insulated copper conducting wires are wound around that. That supports winding of iron copper wire, there insulated copper wire. So that is called as armature.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then Any other question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, function
How
of
many
rings.
amperes?
As the conductor keeps on rotating, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be keep connected there and it enables rotation there.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Huh? Children, yes? Regarding the domestic circuits,
No, ma'am.
so you are very clear with fuse.
Yes, ma'am.
So no more doubts. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, now you can watch the video that I have sent. That is electric generator. If it was
Ma'am,
not,
should we draw the figures, ma'am?
tell me.
Should we draw the figures, ma'am?
Yes, in the PPT it is there. Please complete your notes. Today's PPT also I am going to post. Please complete the notes. I think it is up to date. Last time's motor, right? Have you
Yes, ma'am.
completed till motor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then in today's class we have learnt about generator. Please complete till generator and begin with domestic electric circuit.
Even should we draw the figures in the today's PPT, ma'am?
Yes, yes. All your explanation should be supported by a figure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anything else, children?
No, ma'am.
No? Then you did not answer me the first recap question slide. Could you please answer now? Now, here is your question. State the principle of an electric motor. Who can answer this question? This is from previous session. That is session 3.
Changes changes electric energy to mechanical energy.
Mechanical energy. When a current carrying conductor is kept under magnetic field, it experiences force. That is a principle of electric motor. The next question. Could you read? The next question is, name some sources of direct current.
Industry.
Battery, cell,
Cell and battery.
Cell and battery. Very good. Which sources produce alternating current? It is your mains, and all of them come from AC generator. AC generator get how? What is the mechanical energy there for AC generators? All of them work by turbines, rotating turbines. Rotation of turbine can be by falling water or wind or pedaling or fuel. Next, Fleming's left-hand rule already we have discussed just now. What is the role of split ring in an electric motor? The last question.
It changes the direction of current.
Very good. It changes the direction of current. I hope both last session and this session is very clear.
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy down the notes in your classwork. Thank you, children. Please go through the video what I have shared. I will share the PPT also. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
You can
Thank you,
leave
ma'am.
the
Welcome,
meeting.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.